Meanwhile, in financial news, CNBC.com reports why the Fed will intervene if stocks fall too far. Mr. Bernanke and former Fed Chair Alan Greenspan made it clear that the stock market is in the transmission mechanism for monetary policy, said Quincy Crosby, chief market strategist at Prudential Annuities. They know a stronger shock in the market feeds into a stronger economy and feeds into investor confidence. But basically, it breaks down to how since the 2008 financial crisis, almost $3 trillion have been put on the Fed's balance sheets, and through QE1 and QE2 and the silent but deadly QE3s ongoing, they've been extending market liquidity to investors. That's been ricocheted and projected into the stock market. And really, does the stock market reflect reality at all? It's just this market confidence tool to keep the public from freaking out, which is why they may continue to send those signals, even though they've said they're no longer going to provide this cheap liquidity. Interesting quote here from Bill Gross, the CEO of bond giant PIMCO. When QE1 has ended, when QE2 has ended, basically the stock market has gone down by 1,500 points in the next month or two. Is the Fed trapped in this conundrum of providing cheaper liquidity in order to pump up the stock market and risk markets? I think they are. I won't argue whether it's good policy, but it's necessary policy based on where central banks have led us right into the jaws of control, a centralized economy, all on the idea of keeping up this projected stock market image and never building a true recovery, not empowering Main Street, only empowering Wall Street predators who just want to do these crazy bets and occupy our economy. So we'll turn now to the quote of the day. And of course, we have two powerful interviews coming up. Government is not reason. It is not eloquent. It is force. Like fire, it is a dangerous servant and a fearful master. That, of course, was George Washington. And, of course, stay tuned because we have two great, powerful interviews coming up. Alex Jones will talk to Mark Morano of the Climate Depot about the censorship on YouTube that our own channel is experiencing and the larger idea that you can't criticize people telling you to shut down human behavior, to shut down the economy, to shut down your very free speech, all because of carbon credits. But if you criticize them, that somehow is a violation of their little personal privacy, of their integrity. You'll hear about it all from Alex. You know he's more eloquent than I am. Thanks for watching, and don't go anywhere. This is the Infowars Nightly News.
I really enjoy it when the globalists try to poison us, and, well, we resist them via a free market system. Hello, my fellow Info Warriors. Alex Jones here, introducing you to the ProPure family of gravity-fed filters. Now, you know that the globalists are filling our water with radioactive isotopes, fluoride, lead, mercury, arsenic. And one of the few systems that can efficiently and economically remove or reduce down to non-detectable levels these poisons are gravity-fed filters. And ProPure is the top of the line. Their filters are impregnated with silver, a natural antibiotic. On top of that, they're bigger, so they filter faster. You don't have to prime these the first time you use them. It's amazing. Go to Infowars.com and click on the shopping cart link to see the entire family of these babies. Now, the fluoride they add to our water is so tiny that most filters can't cut it out. But ProPure has their system that will, again, reduce it to non-detectable levels, almost get all of it out of there. That's also available. And if you look at the different systems they offer, the ProPure Big Brush Finish is on a stand, so it's easier on a table or at your restaurant or wherever you have it to go up with a glass or a mug and fill it up. Then there's this big baby right here, the ProPure King large version. Got a lot of different options that come with it. Also, they have the ProPure Big, probably one of the best values out there. And of course, it's burnished stainless steel. And then what I use on my RV, something that's great for your hunting cabin or the back porch, is the ProPure Traveler. Small and portable, but packs a huge punch, cleans out all that garbage. They also have the glass sight spigot, so you don't have to take the top off and look in the bottom area to see how much water. You can see how fast it's filtering with this optional system. The globalists obviously are hitting us through our water. It's time to take control of our lives. It's time to not give our children and families these poisons, and these systems cut it down to non-detectable levels across the board. ProPure is the name. I only promote what I believe in, and I use ProPure in my home and my office, and I recommend that you check out the information on ProPure at Infowars.com. We already have the lowest price at Infowars.com on the ProPure gravity filter system. But when you add in the 10% off when InfoWarriors use the product code WATER at Infowars.com, nobody can top it. So again, it's a win-win-win. Stop drinking the poison water, checkmate the globalists when it comes to your health, and support Infowars.com and the work we're doing here. You know, many revolutionaries rob banks and things and kidnap people for funds. We promote in the free market the products we use that are about preparedness. That's how we fund this revolution against the New World Order in our move to restore our constitutional republic and a spirit of 1776 worldwide. Check it out at Infowars.com. ProPure, top of the line, #1, most powerful and effective and economical gravity-fed water system in the world. ProPure, available, discounted at Infowars.com. Don't forget product code WATER to save 10%. It's the latest generation, years in development. ProPure is the name.